Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Seng Khasi Seiñraij Delhi kala Pynlong ya Shad Sukra ka Nyngkong Nongbah Delhi haka khandro tarik jemang hajar arpenrio haka bau sanje goyal RC Meghalaya House Delhi ulalong kumukong san bat kiwe kirurang ba kibra shakhot sngobha ka Seng ka ai khublei kerpang ye uba awailat miki shla bat uba president song bat ka my home India kibal ai jingara bat no senyang haka ban Pynlong ya ni ka Shad Sukra ka bajom kani kalong ka Sien ka Nyngkong bala Pynlong ya Shad Sukra Nongbah Delhi haga jinon lang kumba shispa ngot ki Khasi jaintia bat ki parlok na barjla kumjuru la yo ka jing Shad priang bat ka Shad wai kumba Shad sharilum jaintia nagaliang ka Seng Khasi Seiñraij kadap daga jing ngok men bat ka kermen ru bandang yai Pynlong shu kum kini ki program ki pen pau per the ya ka dostority jong ka jai benreu ka jinga teli bat ka jing sarong yaki ki ba shong basa ha Delhi kai khublei ye baro ki executive member jong ka Seng Khasi Seiñraij Delhi ki bla drishtom ba de trilang ban Pynlong ye ka Shad Sukra ka ba ipho iphiang kala ai khublei ru ye baro ki pat ba ki balawan ban sakhilang ban kershan ye ka jingalang pat ba daga jinga teli ka jingya sha bat ka mensem jinga trilang ka kolshor bat ka nyam tenrai jongi kanang ye ne bat pau hakaleng ki jaka penkot ka kerwo na general secretary uba Marvel sungo
Miles from home, where we belong, side by side, the route we carry along. It's not just a spring festival or celebration, but the pride we carry for so long. Good evening to every one of you present here. My name is Hima. I am from Nartiang, West Jaintia Hills. I would like to present a short poem of mine. Even though I wrote it like yesterday, but I'm very happy to share it with you. Its name is Sukra. Presenting it in our language, Khasi, even though not Panar. I'll try to translate it in Panar, but I feel like since we haven't have our own language where which we study in Panar, but we study in Khasi, so I wrote it in Khasi. Jangaina laying hai bangisa, rangkat kanong rem katsha balik nginra, kachat sukra, kamdei tang kajing lekmen, hashwa ban hier sha penthor hali, hanrei ban pen irong ya kaniam kabangidom. Khublei ya kami mariang kaba ai yangi ki ayom bapher ban thung ban tep bat ban ot ha ijong ipor khublei ya ki men ki wo ki bala ri hok ya kaniam kaba ki don ki bom chuklet ban sngongo bat ban yada ya kami rambau let's say kata kadau bangi pharnai da gajing melung mendeu Niwalat ban pene pensa ya kabangi don niwalat ban pene ya kaniam kadustur babo ulong shwa bat kachat sukra de kawena kita kane de ka short poetry bangatho. First I was about to write in Khasi in Panar, even though they tell that it is a program by me, but then they haven't tell that it is a short poetry. But I would like to take your time too. Before I end, I would like to say happy Chhat Sukra to you all, and also I would like to congratulate to all Thank you so much, and also I would like to congratulate for completing the second foundation of the Saint Khasi Seiñraij. To you especially, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Kublai to each one of you present here today. Very good evening to all of you. It is my honor and privilege to welcome each one of you to this Shad Sukra and the second foundation day of Khasi Seiñraij. Today marks the beginning of the harvesting season in the state of Meghalaya, and this Shad Sukra is celebrated by the Pynlong community of Meghalaya. So I would like to extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Residential Commissioner, Sanjay Goyal sir, with whom I know him since 10 to 15 years before, and I'm glad to announce that this is the first program of Sir to be attended today after his appointment as the RC of Meghalaya House, Delhi. Welcome, sir, to Delhi, and thank you for accepting our invitation to be with us today, to bless this program of us today. And I also welcome Shad, with whom also I know she is like a sister to me. Thank you for coming to this program. I welcome our other distinguished guests, Rikil Chermang, Professor of JNU, who is also newly shifted to Delhi very recently. Before he was in Patna in Bihar, but now I'm so happy to welcome every one of them who are the newcomer to Delhi and attending this program of ours today. I would also extend my welcome to Anand Bharadwaj ji, who is always a helping hand to us, the Northeast, and in particular, our Meghalaya people. The next is Dr. Phirmi Bodo, who is also like a sister to me. She is a professor at JNU, and she has been always associated with us in every program, in every program of ours, whether it is a Khasi program, whether it is Meghalaya program, whether it is Kalyan Ashram program, all the programs she used to associate with us. So, and I welcome to each one of you, our friends from Meghalaya, our friends from various parts of the Northeast who are here to celebrate this important festival of us today. So, with this welcome address to all of you, once again, I request that you should enjoy this program of ours and witness the vibrant culture of Meghalaya. Thank you so much, and I hope that you will enjoy this program today. Thank you.
It has taken me back to the memories of my association with Jaintia Hills for about 1 year, when I was DC from 2008, maybe around June till June 2009. For about a year, and I always have very fond memories of Jaintia Hills, Jawai, people of Jaintia Hills. And now I could make out that when Professor Ripple has mentioned that it was revived in 2006 in Jawai. So I can very distinctly remember attending a very big event. I think that must be in March or April of 2009. That was held, and I'm not able to place the locality where it was done, but I can very distinctly now some of those things are just, getting played in front of my eyes, that we had a very beautiful program of Church Sukra, and maybe the excitement was very high because it was just 1 or 2 years old when it was revived in July. So to that extent, I think I should compliment all of the organizers at that point of time. These events, as was already mentioned, I will not repeat the significance, but they send a very strong message, and rightly said that come back to your roots, identify the blessings the nature has given to us in terms of abundance of harvest, food, water, anything we say. And let me tell you, in Meghalaya particularly, I was fortunate enough to work in all three parts of Meghalaya, Jaintia Hills, and after that I went to Garo Hills and again came back to Khasi Hills. It is deep rooted in the culture to respect the environment and nature. I'll not repeat what Professor has already mentioned, that everywhere, let it be by any reason, whether it is your sacred groves or whether it is your preservation of the rivers by designating them sanctuaries wherein you cannot fish. There are various stretches in Jaintia Hills and Khasi Hills and Garo Hills wherein fishing is not allowed in a particular stretch. So that is also giving back to the nature or respecting the nature, that what can be done by human beings and what cannot be done by human beings. So we have followed age-old traditions in doing it, and the younger generation, I think many of us are sitting here, have that burden on their shoulders to carry it forward. So that is what I think the message is, and that is what I believe the purpose of these, of holding these kinds of festivals. It is happening everywhere in the country. And we talk about Bihu, it is the same thing which we celebrate. I think Madam Boro can help me out, or whether it is Baisakhi, wherein we celebrate again the same kind of thanksgiving to the nature and Mother Earth. So basic idea is that these celebrations are there to of course respect the nature and all, but at the same time I believe that it solves one more purpose of passing on the baton to the next generation, involving the younger generation so that they can take it forward, the same kind of thing which the forefathers have thought of and have been continuing. Otherwise there will be a break. So that break is not advisable, that break is not desired, and that's how I think the younger generation, or the organizers, they keep on passing on the baton so that the traditions follow, the customs are followed, and we respect the age-old prophecies and the things which have been worked out by our forefathers in terms of the respect to the nature and celebrations. So thank you very much for inviting me. I am very excited to be part of this event, and I wish the organizers all the very best, and many more to come in future maybe. And Meghalaya House is open to everyone for all kinds of celebrations and all kinds of things for everyone, for all sections of society, and we are happy to associate with all of you, and I'm sure the kind of support which is desired or required or we are looking for is given by the Meghalaya House staff and the officers, and we look forward for many more such celebrations, whether it be this one or anything other related to any section of the society. I wish this celebration all the very best, and my best wishes are there with you. And let it be one of the occasions wherein we come together and celebrate and give our thanks to the nature and Mother Earth and our Almighty. Thank you, everyone.